Hello and welcome, my fellow adults without supervision. Today we will be diving into my experience with the Ender 3 Pro as a total 3D printing noob. There will be heartache and triumph, growth mixed with pain. Here is my story.
Today we are going to be unboxing my brand new 3D printer, the Ender 3 Pro. I'm kind of excited. I got it for $199. They had some sort of deal going on because it's normally a little bit more expensive to get a decent 3D printer. So we're going to pop her open and see what we got. Nice foam. Foam. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. We've got, hopefully, very well thought out directions, because these can be screwed up fairly easily when set up. So we got warranty card, some aftercare, a manual I'll probably read, qualified certificate of creativity or whatever. Get out of here. Now this is what I was actually after. This is so pretty. I am ecstatic. Now, it's not got as big of a work area as some of the other ones, but it's got basically the best bang for buck that I've been able to find on a 3D printer. So let's find out what's in here. Come out of there. Ooh, that's hefty. Oh, that's got technology on it. We're gonna put that back in. Technology back in there. Got our printing surface. This one does not come with a glass surface, but it does come with a heated bed. You can buy an add-on glass surface for relatively cheap, and the one that's better than this, that comes with glass surface, the only other thing besides it that's an improvement is that it's a little bit quieter. Same work area, same quality basically. So probably gonna buy the glass surface later. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Alright, we got our work surface, we got our rails, we got a lot of wires, we got our actuator motor for the printing head, and there is a lot more in here than I expected, and also probably a lot more delicate than I'm treating it. One more thing to pull out. If she'll come out, why won't you come to me, darling? There we go. A little power brick. Nifty. So yeah, that's basically what it comes with. A little power brick, a little head, feeding arm, and your surface. And we'll do a quick video later on assembling it, or we might just append that to this little unboxing. I wish I could unbox it more. I think I'm kind of worried about breaking things more than usual. I hope that wire is supposed to be that way. Alright, that's good enough. This is my first print. I had the zeroing switch in the wrong place. This is the result of my second attempt at printing. I must have a setting wrong somewhere and have also damaged stuff. Alright, let's try take 3 after I figure out what's wrong with it. Alright, so we got further this time. However, we ran into a problem. Bad bed adhesion meant that the print head actually pushed this out of the way, and then the printer tried to print where it thought the model was, and resulted in all this stringiness. So I'm thinking I've got another setting off somewhere. So I'm going to go in and look at that, but I think it's because the filament I bought from Micro Center is more different than I thought from the stuff that came with it. After many adjustments, we've gotten a lot further than ever before, but it looks like I'm going to need a few more. But good progress. I ended up having to take part of it apart because I installed more of it incorrectly than I thought. But we're doing good. Well, it seems like I finally have a completed print with no errors It's just topping off the ears right now. It also looks like I'm going to have to do some fine tuning, but I consider this a great success. Right after I turned the camera off and I started another print, I had a setting wrong and I caused a huge gouge in the plate again. I really need to remember the old adage of measure twice, cut once. There we go, now there's some real progress. You can actually tell what it really was supposed to be. Got some good definition, gonna need a little bit of cleanup, but frankly, I think we're doing pretty good on that. We're going to be printing a Halo plasma grenade next, and hopefully that will turn out pretty good. First print from a model I had to modify myself. I'm super excited! It's not perfect, but it worked. This is the first part of the first larger prop I'm going to be making using the 3D printer. It is a plasma pistol from Halo. With a few more adjustments and modification, I'm actually printing on this thing without any glue or adhesive, which I find to be wild. Maybe if I keep tinkering with it, I'll be able to get even better quality prints out of it than I was expecting. So, there we have it. This is a picture of my current 3D workspace. It took a lot more effort than I expected, but my first 3D printer is up and working, if a little worse for wear due to my learning curve. I'm just glad Micro Center sells new beds for this model. Besides, the glass bed replacement is superior to the magnetic one it comes with, in my opinion. I also got a better filament roller and 3D printed myself a filament guide. Printing useful and fun things is why I bought this in the first place. I'm just glad I learned the basics with this one. While I'm sure there will still be mess ups and lessons to learn, starting with one in this price bracket definitely saved my wallet. All told, the printer plus extras cost about $240 plus tax. So I was very happy with this whole endeavor. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for hanging out with me while I figure this thing out. Please like and sub. And if you have any requests, suggestions, or questions, please leave them below.